So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to moisturize my face with this Pond's lightweight moisturizer. Actually, weather here is just crazy because it's too sunny in the morning and it's too like chilly at night. I don't know what to apply on your skin, like winter skincare or summer skincare. Okay, so next, what should we do first? Eyes or just face? Let's do eyes first. So first I'm going to fill my eyebrows with this sugar ash arrival, and I'm going to fill my eyebrows with this, and not going to give any shape also. I'm going to brush that. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? My Shinchan eyebrows are done. So let's move towards eye makeup, because the start of this makeup look is actually eye makeup. So now I'm going to just a little bit put concealer on. I'm going to blend it with fingers. Like this eye look, you can literally do it in minutes. I'm not even kidding. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. palette which I broke, and I'm going to take this matte shade just to clean it up all the shine and make my eyebrows or brow bone matte. And for the eyes, I'm going to use this e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow in the rose water, and this is actually not typical pink one, but actually it has eyeshadow between pink and lavender, especially this shade. So we're going to take this shade and we're going to apply it on a crease area. They are not like typical baby pink or lavender. They are like in the middle of both the colors, and this is why I love this palette a lot. And the shimmer shadows, pigmentation of shimmer shadows in this palette is really good, so do give it a try. There's a pink seal coming up on Nykaa, so you can buy it from there. I'm using it under my eyes as well. I'm going to take a flat brush and going to take this darkest shade. I'm going to apply it like in a wing eyeliner direction, if that is just in the outer corner of your eye. Little bit, not too much, because we don't want too much harsh eye like glitter and then the black one. We just want little bit smokiness outside of our eye, if that makes sense. Guys, I'm really bad with this talking thing. I'll work on it. I'm just blending it inwards, not outwards, just blending it inwards, so it will give me a false lash effect. But when I'm actually looking down, it's not going to look like I have some eyeliner or anything on. And don't worry, your eyes don't have to look like twins. They have to look like sisters, like one is this and one is that. I have like really huge eyes, and I also suffer from the thing that when you click a picture, one eye come like this. Like Chihuahua. So that is one issue. That's why I do a little bit different shape here and different shape. But they both look really good in real life. I'm going to go with the shimmer, and I'm going to use this dark one. You can use both if you want to, but I'm going to use this dark one, and I'm going to use this finger and apply it on area. And it doesn't matter if you go a little on that black color, because anyways, that's just for the dimension. And we are going to take that fluffy brush which we have used for a crease color. I'm going to blend it. And now we're going to take this Wet n Wild pencil in the shade white, and I'm going to tightline my lower waterline. I'm not going to use any lashes for this look because I don't want to. I don't use lashes in my life generally because I have really huge eyelashes. But you can use a very good eyelash false lashes, and it will give you really like wow effect in your eye makeup. So eye makeup is pretty much done. Now we are going to go for the face, and I'm using the same concealer under my eyelids, under my eyes, and it's going to clean up a little bit more all the area. I'm not going to do so much base makeup. I'm going to blend in. Now I like to do concealer, bronzer, contour before the foundation, because that way I'm going to use less of the face product. Now we are going to contour our face, and I'm going to use a little bit of this sugar contouring stick. So my face is contoured. Foundation, which is like Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade 128, pea size one, and I'm going to apply it. We want like our base to look matte, so we have like shimmer going on eyelids, so that way everything will look so blended, and you're not going to look like over the top. You have done something really too much. So this is my face makeup done. Blush, and I'm going to use this blush from the Rimmel London palette. This is really good. You should try this one. And I'm not going to use too much, just a little bit. Anyways, these blushes are not that pigmented, but they have really good like color payout, you know, just you look naturally flushed. Now going to take a beauty blender to blend everything in. Now we are going to take highlighter, and for highlighter I'm actually using this Sephora shimmer eyeshadow, but I will leave all the products details in the description box below. So I'm going to use this as my highlighter because it has like it is champagne color. If you can see, you can use any pink tone highlighter for this look, because golden one will look like weird. I just believe that if you have your way of doing things, go ahead. There's no rule for makeup. You can do whatever you like and however you like. Nobody's going to force you. Let's do mascara first, and then we are going to go end this look with some lip liner. Can you see the difference with this eye and this eye? Yeah, that's my eyelash. That's my natural eyelashes, and that's why I don't apply any false lashes. I can't even control these. A trick: take a clean spoolie and just clear all the clumps in your eyelashes. So the lips, I'm actually using 2 lip shades because I want this exact eyeshadow color. So for the nude shade, I'm using this Faces Canada Nude Buff, and for a little bit of a purplish pinkish hint, I'm going to use this gorgeous Velvet Rouge edition in the shade 36. You can use any purple lipstick or magenta lipstick with this, because Borges is not available in India. You can use this lipstick alone because this is going with this look. If you want to play safe, that's fine, but and I'm taking this purple shade and I'm just aligning it and mixing it in with. It gives me the perfect purple mauvey pink. Yeah, this is the look complete. This is the makeup look. I have a really wavy hair, so please excuse my hair because they are not in a good condition right now. And this is the final look, guys. This is the look. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.